So we have tried the coffee whip, which is made with ice water in large proportions. Now we're going to try the Dalgona coffee, which is the exact proportions with boiling water. So first we're going to do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. There we go, 1. 2. I think that wasn't quite enough. All right, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. 1 and 2. And then 2 tablespoons of boiling water. This just boiled on the kettle. The kettle is piping hot. One. 2. All right. I'm gonna give that a good stir to kind of dissolve things in there. Now this is much less than the other, obviously. Much fewer ingredients. Get in there, you little bastard. All right, there we go. And now, same drill. We're gonna whip and whip. Watch me whip. Watch me nay-nay. I don't even know what the song is. I have no idea what the tunes or anything. And once again, we're getting bubbles right away. Oh, this smells really good. Now, because I'm using the boiling water, it is releasing the aromas much more than the other. And now it's starting to get a little frothy. We're getting frothy up in here. Okay, I want to scrape it down. Scrape the bottom. Make sure that all the little bits are getting incorporated. All the bits. Oh, look how that is. Crazy, right? Put it right up to 11 or 6, since it doesn't go above 6. It doesn't go 1 louder. It doesn't go 4 louder.
Whatever it is, 6 will do. Swedish style.
Whoa. Alright, so this is looking a lot more caramely than that did. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted a side-by-side comparison. It's whipping up really fast. But I know I wouldn't have done this in 45 seconds of just hand beating. That was not going to happen. Let's take a look. Let's give it a stir. So pretty. But this is not the consistency that I have seen and that I desire. So we're going to keep on beating on. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Now, should I try to push it a little bit further?
I would.
All right. So. Now compared to the other, it's darker. So here we have a spoonful of the Dalgona and a spoonful of the whip. And you see how the Dalgona is noticeably darker than the whip. Now we're going to give it a taste. Can you see that? All right, so. Oh my God.
Much more.
more intense coffee flavor.
Much more intense coffee flavor. It is, I see why they call it Dalgona coffee, because it's got kind of that burnt sugar flavor, the bitterness of the coffee. It is really dark and rich.
This could be like an ice cream.
This would be a good ice cream flavor. The other is sweeter and has a lighter coffee flavor.
Well, it had a lot more water and more sugar.
Yeah.